1. Which is the highest gravity dam in India? A. Bhakra Nangal Dam. B. Tehri Dam. C. Hirakud Dam. D. Sardar Sarovar Dam. Answer. A. Bhakra Nangal Dam. 2. The Tehri Dam is built on which river? A. Ganga. B. Bhagirathi. C. Yamuna. D. Alaknanda. Answer. B. Bhagirathi. 3. Which dam creates the Gobind Sagar Reservoir? A. Bhakra Nangal Dam. B. Hirakud Dam. C. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. D. Sardar Sarovar Dam. Answer. A. Bhakra Nangal Dam. 4. The Gandhi Sagar Dam is located on which river? A. Narmada. B. Chambal. C. Tapti. D. Mahandi. Answer. B. Chambal. 5. The Jawahar Sagar Dam is situated in which Indian state? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Gujarat. D. Maharashtra. Answer. B. Rajasthan. 6. Which dam is part of the Chambal Valley project? A. Bhakra Dam. B. Tehri Dam. C. Gandhi Sagar Dam. D. Hirakud Dam. Answer. C. Gandhi Sagar Dam. 7. Which dam is known for creating one of the largest artificial lakes in Asia? A. Bhakra Dam. B. Hirakud Dam. C. Tehri Dam. D. Sardar Sarovar Dam. Answer. B. Hirakud Dam. 8. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is constructed on which river? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Kaveri. D. Mahandi. Answer. A. Krishna. 9. Which dam is associated with the Gobind Sagar Reservoir? A. Hirakud Dam. B. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. C. Sardar Sarovar Dam. D. Bhakra Nangal Dam. Answer. D. Bhakra Nangal Dam. 10. The Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on which river? A. Narmada. B. Tapti. C. Mahandi. D. Godavari. Answer. A. Narmada. 11. Which dam is located in the state of Uttarakhand? A. Bhakra Dam. B. Tehri Dam. C. Hirakud Dam. D. Sardar Sarovar Dam. Answer. B. Tehri Dam. 12. The Rana Pratap Sagar Dam is part of which river valley project? A. Narmada Valley Project. B. Chambal Valley Project. C. Damodar Valley Project. D. Krishna Valley Project. Answer. B. Chambal Valley Project. 13. Which dam has the largest reservoir by volume in India? A. Bhakra Dam. B. Hirakud Dam. C. Indira Sagar Dam. D. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Answer. C. Indira Sagar Dam. 14. The Mettur Dam is constructed on which river? A. Godavari. B. Krishna. C. Kaveri. D. Mahandi. Answer. C. Kaveri. 15. Which dam is located on the Sutlej River? A. Bhakra Nangal Dam. B. Tehri Dam. C. Hirakud Dam. D. Sardar Sarovar Dam. Answer. A. Bhakra Nangal Dam. 16. The Hirakud Dam is situated in which Indian state? A. West Bengal. B. Odisha. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Chhattisgarh. Answer B. Odisha. 17. Which dam is associated with the Chambal River? A. Bhakra Dam. B. Tehri Dam. C. Gandhi Sagar Dam. D. Hirakud Dam. Answer C. Gandhi Sagar Dam. 18. Which dam is known for being the longest earthen dam in the world? A. Bhakra Dam. B. Hirakud Dam. C. Tehri Dam. D. Sardar Sarovar Dam. Answer B. Hirakud Dam. 19. Which river is the Bhakranangal Dam built on? A. Bhagirathi. B. Sutlej. C. Mahandi. D. Krishna. Answer B. Sutlej. 20. What is the total length of the Hirakud Dam? A. 16.03 kilometers. B. 25.79 kilometers. C. 3 kilometers. D. 4.8 kilometers. Answer B. 25.79 kilometers.